Hello students, welcome back. So today we are going to start our new exercise, that is chapter number 8, Introduction to Trigonometry. So first of all we should learn what is trigonometry. So trigonometry is basically a combination of three Greek words. What are these three Greek words? These are tri, gon and metron. Tri, gon and metron. Tri means three, gon का मतलब होता है हमारी sides. Tri means three, gon means sides and metron. It is derived from the Greek word metron. Metron means क्या होता है हमारा measure करना. So tri, gon, metri means थ्री साइड्स को मेजर करने वाली कोई भी चीज. तो ट्रिग्नोमेट्री किस पे बेस है? पूरा एक ट्रायंगल पे. ट्रायगोन मींस थ्री साइड्स वाला. थ्री साइड्स वाला हमारे पास क्या अवेलेबल है? ट्रायंगल. सो ट्रिग्नोमेट्री इज अ branch of mathematics in which we study the relationship between the angles and the sides of a triangle. Is that clear? Here is our next topic, trigonometric ratios. So what are the trigonometric ratios? Trigonometric ratios of an acute angle in a right triangle. Trigonometric ratios of an acute angle in a right triangle express the relationship between the angles and the sides of the triangle. So with the help of these ratios we can express the relationship between the angles and the sides. So basically the trigonometry is based on a right angle triangle. हमारा trigonometry किस पे based है? Right angle triangles पे based है. So before moving further we should know what are our 6 different trigonometric ratios. So we have to understand the basic 3 trigonometric ratios. So here are our basic 3 trigonometric ratios. The first one is sine. Another one is tan. I am writing the full name. Full name of tan is tangent. And the third one is the secant. Secant is also known as sec. Tangent is also known as tan, and sine is also known as sin. Tangent is tan and secant is sec. So these are 3 main trigonometric functions. With these 3 trigonometric functions we can find the other 3 trigonometric ratios. The other 3 trigonometric ratios are basically the complementary of these 3 ratios. So how? Sine. The complementary of sine is complementary of sine. We can write it as complementary of sine. That will become cosine. Complementary of sine, that will become cosine. And we can write it is in the short form as cos. So cos और sin are the complementary ratios. ये दोनों हमारे पास क्या है? ये एक दूसरे के complementary ratios हैं. Another one, tangent. The complementary of tangent is cotangent. And the short form of cotangent is chord. Similarly, the complementary of secant is known as cosecant. And we can write it as cosec. So basically these are the things which are not studied in the 10th class, but these are the basic. We have to know what are the complementary angles, complementary ratios, like and the sine. What is the complement of sine? The complement of sine is cos. The complement of tangent is cotangent. The complement of secant is cosecant. Write it down. This you are not going to find these in any of the book. Write it down.